it is departure time. I've worked for you, you have not appreciated. So let me move somewhere else.
La sinatandika program ya leero kirango kikulu. Nze kamwa kwogera ne muganda wange Kereyo we UK twina property yaffe gye tutunda. Property eno y'abanenemu abayinamu kasente. Tutunda ettaka lyaffe eririko ennyumba ewedde nga lino lyenkana decimal 37. Property yaffe eno eri wano mu Kampala Erungujja ku Kalema Road mu Lubaga Division. Ekyapa tukirina ate nga tekiriiko nkaayana zonna. Kati gwe wene yali agadde okutugulako property yaffe eno tukubireko oba tuweereza obubaka bwa WhatsApp ku namba ezo z'olaba ku screen. Ennyumba y'amaka eriko ebadde epangisibwa era ng'eriko residential 2 zino ziri 2 mu emu oba kiyite 2 in 1. Buli residential emu kuziriko erina 2 bedroom oba ebisenge ebisulwamu 2 eriko ekiyungu naye ng'emu kuzo eri full furnished oba gamba erimu ebibajje ng'emu terina. Ku nnyumba eno tulinako ne staff quarters eziri wabweru nga nazo zirina showers omuntu asobola okunaabiramu. Ettaka eririko erya compound ligazi bulungi era osobola okulikolerako enkulaakulana yonna nga muno osobola n'okuzimbako kalina. Kati agisiimye tukubireko oba tuweereza obubaka bwa SMS twongere okwogera ku property yaffe eno ku namba z'essimu z'olaba awo waggulu. Mwebale nnyo okutuwagira. Mwebale kutuwagira akaseera konna. Mutabani wa Mole namba 12 mirundi. Abantu babuuza nti ekitabo kya Bobi Wine kye wawandiika ekyokubiri tebakirabako ku street.
Nalowooza nti bali bajja kukola ki tebajja kuntegeera bubi olina olisingira n'okoma kubanga nawandiika ekitabo and the soul of the grasshoppers nga Bobi Wine era buliko kaba nga Bobi Wine akutte ekisero ky'enseenene nga zimupaapaalako naye mbagamba ti olugambo lw'enseenene Abaganda balina proverb ti olugambo lw'enseenene bwe luzikwasa. Enseenene bwe zigwa mu nsiko zonna nga ziga nti mwenaki mwenaki. Kati Omuganda aba ayitawo awulira zaaguddewo n'akuba buuli. So that's why Muganda says that
olugambo lw'enseenene
lumamongering of the grasshoppers alerts a Muganda to catch them. Otherwise, if they fall into omuddo grass, they would wake up after light because they don't move, they just move in darkness. And he had taken into the yes. We have countries where the governments have lost the power, have been defeated using a different issue. For instance, in Burundi, Ndadaye was given 1 month to campaign. And in those countries, of course, these are small countries like Rwanda, you can only address public rallies in soccer stadiums. What happens is the ruling party can hire them more. Where will you address rallies?
Of course, they will have been taken over.
This is the law.
Unless there is a rule that all of us should be given equal rights. But here you have given the opportunity of flouting COVID rules. Agati, mu Burundi, tewali Muhutu yakulira Burundi. Prominent Bahutu either went to Rwanda, Belgium, or France. So when Buyoya was strict to organize multi-party elections, first of all, he had made a lot of reforms. He reformed the armed forces, created a Chimaka, an academy where ranks could be given according to merit. Hutu, Tutsi. He even appointed equal number of ambassadors and high commissioners. Is that merit or tribal?
Tutsi.
That sounds a little bit tribal.
Burundi and Rwanda. The argument was, since the Tutsis reform 15%, they would benefit in all government costs by 15%. But this did not apply in Burundi because the Tutsi were in power in Burundi. The Hutus were in power in Rwanda. So in Rwanda, it was perfected, implemented. Every time university you take there 15%. In the army 15%. This is why they used to tell us that the countries that don't know their actual population is Nigeria and Rwanda. Because in Nigeria, after the discovery of oil in 1975, government came up with a formula. If you have an area with more people would benefit from government grants. So they started inflating the numbers. So that's why they used to say, in Burundi, in Rwanda, there was no way the Hutus could agree that now the Tutsis have increased by 20%. Kati Buyoya, yakola reforms. In Bujumbura, Buyoya's vehicle was pushed. He used to drive himself to State House. But through Bujumbura, crowds would come on their own and push
his car. He would stop it and the crowds would push it.
So he was blinded. That the Hutus were happy. He's a man who had solved. They started saying that omusajja mama we mutuusi kitawe mukutu. Kakati Ndandaye was given only 1 month to campaign. We agreed. But the Hutus, the Hutus did not adapt the insane practice of making noise. What the Hutus did, they shunned Ndandaye's meetings, public rallies. He was talking to himself.
Of 1 month?
Hey, nga tebagendayo. Further tricking, Buyoya. The judge, there's a judge, a female judge, Bossa, who is, I think, working with the ICC. Bossa, at that time, was head of an organization called NOSEM. NOSEM was monitoring elections. It was a sort of an observer organization. They went and visited Burundi. They came, addressed a press conference, and said, even if Buyoya performs badly, he will get at least 80%. Because Ndandaye was not seeing anybody. But Buyoya was shocked. He got only 15%. So the Hutus did not adapt the practice of insanity. That was my argument. That Bobby Wine had adapted the practice of insanity.
Making noise. Attracting eaters.
Yes. The same thing applied in Zambia. Kaunda's party was entrenched. NRM is not an entrenched party. People who fight over money. People who can sell their victory. This is not an entrenched.
Where have they been for the last 35 years?
A subterfuge, as I explained earlier. When it is money, they send there. That's why you have people who cannot handle ministries. They are being pushed there by people. Mirundi, no, you don't bring intellectuals. You bring the
ones you can order around.
Kakati, no mudala gw'omuwino, an equivalent of a Wino market was belonged to UNEP, Kaunda's party. One was a country, one Zambia, one leader, Kenneth Kaunda, KK Boys, their soccer team, everywhere. Kaunda used to address rallies, to address press conferences in mid-air. You would go to Entebbe, board a plane, and the president would address, Kaunda would address a press conference mid-air.
How?
Yes, in a plane.
So the media goes with him in the plane. He has flies.
Addressing a mid-air press conference this morning, Dr. Kaunda has said, Kaunda was challenged by Chiruba. Chiruba was a trade unionist, a very short man who was subjected to ridicule like a Bobby Wine. That's why I told you that the Bobby Wine thing will not work. That was a Congolese. Kaunda, a stout man. This Congolese even said that because at that time, those leaders who never got university degrees used to compensate themselves by being chancellors of universities. They forced the universities to
give them honorary doctorate.
Yes, Dr. Kaunda, Dr. Obote, and you.
I had Obote attained a doctorate, a PhD.
So wait, so therefore, when Kaunda started talking about education, the man told him, Chiru, don't talk about education. You're a P6 man. I'm a junior too. Better than you. But because the Zambians did not adapt to the Nsene trick, the Nsene practice of making noise, Kaunda was decisively defeated. Kaunda confessed that if I had not committed myself, if I was not a Mulokole myself, I would have refused to hand over power, but I had committed myself. So this was the purpose. I say.
So you're trying to tell
Bobby
me.
Wine was the leading. In fact, it was because this government was not organized. They chased away the strategists, the planners. This is where one of my books I stated the story of a malicious footballer. That one injured all of the best footballers, and his village team took the trophy. When it came time to assemble the Gombola team, all of the best players had been injured in order to get the local trophy. So this is what the mafias have been doing. The mafias have chased away good people, replaced them with the weaklings who can give them money at any time. And even if you give them, nebo basente bakusiba bobekweka bwe bati bote balabwa bananyini nsibo tebalabwa bakuba bukubi bantu leta sente but olumala okuzibba ne batuka ewange babba 5 billion mbwe ncyanko bwomba kole mbongende kasasiro nze mutani wa mirundi yena adduka n'agula ebizimbe n'aleeta wona omuntu we kanaka manekaga ajja gendayo nakati myaka musamusiri jango ntoli betente omutwe kakazigu bakujoga bana abalenzi kasaba kujoga no. You see, if they humiliate you, don't go there. Reject the appointment. Go home. Obujosi bwabo basikale nabo kati bayina bagundi bayina banafu.
You normally say Museveni agaba gundi appointment yeta joga.
Had strategists at the secretariat. Bobby Wine was working in their favor. They would even have allowed Bobby Wine to start his campaign very early. Because it is a career. The Baganda have a proverb that how organized are the roofs of the huts. If your roof leaks, then the rain has helped you to identify where it is leaking.
Of course.
Because there is no sensible person who can climb his house's roof and pour water.
But who advised these people to start harassing Bobby Wine instead of taking advantage?
Bali tebagobye oyo mukodomi wa Museveni wa president lwabwo mu nkola ye y'okwagala okukwata power. Nze muli abambi I watch them. Even yesterday I was watching him pleading that this man has called me all sorts of names. I know I did something bad to him, but I can apologize. Yes, you can apologize. I don't mind. That's very good. But I tell you that you caused this problem. If really Mbabas was still around, if they were not fighting Muhwezi, if they had not fought Kayihura, if they had not fought Muhwezi, these are the brains. I'm telling you.
But do they have monopoly on brains?
Yes.
NRM can organize other people who can help the government.
Yeah, I tell you, state craft. Because let me tell you, once you are appointed, like you see the Navajos, this girl in UCC, the thing that they are doing is because we call it the politics overwhelming. I did not expect to become a minister Somebody has me, I'm an arrogant man. I'm highly educated. I'm knowledgeable. Appointing me a minister does not affect it. No, I'm entitled to it. I cannot celebrate. Even if you appoint me a vice president. Yes, I have the brains. So I don't believe in the politics of overwhelming. If you marry a submissive wife, I always tell you, then you cannot develop because the woman cannot advise you. So the Nabakobas, these younger people, others who have not gained this, they are overwhelmed. They even fear, even mentioning.
They are excited about
they visit the pastor's
places.
Church the following day. It is a miracle from God. But if I see Bobby Wine attracting a crowd in Teso, then I know the problem. I told you the problem in Teso were 2. 3, restocking. Museveni gave them money to restock because their cows were eaten by the soldiers as a strategy during the rebel activity. The money was eaten by the local leaders. The second problem was the Amuru boys, the Yellow boys, recruited by Mukula, the vice chairman. Money did not reach them.
Eastern region.
Yes. Where is Yiso? Yiso would write a report to the president.
Internal security.
Yes, I wrote a book, what will affect Museveni. I've hit there. Factors that will affect Museveni's performance. They ignore this, as usual. If Museveni goes to Busoga, in Busoga, you see, the mistreatment of in Teso, the mistreatment of Lieutenant General Angina. The Angina started the RPA. Angina is a highly qualified soldier. He joined the UPDF, but ever since he joined the UPDF, has been humiliated from here.
But I hear he's in wealth creation.
At one time, he left the army because of frustration. And in that, I know he lacks fuel. The only when I talked about it, that you are humiliating Angina, and these voters, this is when one of the generals gave him some money to campaign. Why should the general give another general money?
I see.
Humiliation.
Why are some generals rich?
Then I go to a general to get money.
Why are some generals richer than others?
That you think, Mirundi, I can work under Dom. Create a budget, give him my budget. But humiliating you, or you know, color, or you know,
are people of that area in the north? I mean, paying back for Angina in Teso. Humiliating.
After humiliating Angina for some time, when I mentioned that these are powerful people in their areas, a general gave Angina money. That's when Angina put up with a wound. In fact, it would be exposing him as a soldier cannot. But I'm not saying that he went and campaigned. But that's what I'm telling you. That those were the most important issues. Yiso would tell the president 5 years, 2 years to the election, areas and their problems. But when he moves to
is the role of Yiso political?
Yes.
Is it political?
Why do you have a political? Naye nabo bapakira yo ne Yiso ne bagipakira abatasoma abatusana kwandika nepotism nepotism obusuma tribalism nepotism no kujoga abantu bye bibasudde tebali kirala because Uganda is not lacking the best brains. Even if you are tribal, get the best brain. Nepotism not the Uganda not the Tatasoma nayola yono ne balowooza mbu abagezi bajja bakolera tewali ejja bakolera bantu bonna bakoledde emyaka bategedde obujozibwamu bamala okukosanga embwa bagoba bamala okukosanga embwa bagoba wali sente nga bakujjawo sente bwezimala okuyitawo mbwembwe ekomewo temuyina gwe mujja kufunayo abantu babuuka abantu bategeera obujozi bwammwe kakati if you go to Busoga matter of simple soldiers were involved because the president made a mistake. You cannot control poor army for how long?
I see.
This is my argument.
But he has done it for the last 35 years.
Army representatives in the parliament, and he does not contain corruption in the parliament, that these soldiers will look and stare when these MPs are sharing money.
Because they are disciplined.
Because they are disciplined. This, in fact, they are not going to change. The role of UPDF representatives would change. Because, what was the argument? The argument, the UPDF is not the first army to be represented in Uganda Parliament. The first army to be represented in the Uganda Parliament was UNLA. And I remember in 1980, I was a parliamentary reporter. Oito Joko used to sit on the opposition side, always. But it did not stop the army to topple government. Because they were saying, soldiers take always complain that they have taken over the government because they were not involved in the affairs. That's an excuse. I mean, Topoti Obote, when I mean was a member of the executive of UPC, he used to move in the UPC t-shirt. Okero Rutua. These were fighting over supremacy. Who should replace? So it had nothing to do. But also, that is an expression, a symbol that the revolution is a product of the civilian wing and the armed wing. But how can soldiers go to parliament and see how parliamentarians can pass a motion and increase their salaries to 50 million?
Sharing the money.
Yes.
In the house.
Because they will see. They are witnessing. Muganda will tell you to exist akire tunamumba. You cannot say, if you have very little food, don't expose it. Normally, a Muganda woman will call you, Tata kundi jangu, no lire mere mufumbiro. Because you don't have enough. Others will say, Jinde telewan. Omusajja, wali wabasajja batalina nsonyi, agikwata muno kikwata munga tanabi. Merondi nawe mpe ekifiya ekyo. Abaganda bakugana.
So long as you have exposed it.
Yes.
Expect even them to ask for it.
Because the soldiers don't benefit. I don't know that they benefit in the cars, that they get allowances there. To Uganda witness safety, the top of the government.
But I think those that are representing the army are already facilitated in the UPDF.
How?
They are facilitated with cars, fuel. They are big people in the army.
Which fuel?
Don't they receive UPDF fuel?
Uganda also have a proverb that if a food also is cooked with bad things you have not seen, you cannot vomit. But you take 10 soldiers to witness the safety in the parliament. People talking about billions. People
Committees passing bills
and taking money. You will see. I always predict. When I predict 10 things, I see 8. If you take the highly educated these are highly educated people. They are more educated than
and experience, of course.
And two, what's their role? You cannot take a highly educated man to parliament to just to keep quiet. Ma'am, who? This is why people like Nyefunza, people like Kanobogere and others ended up rebelling against the government. They are intelligent. An intelligent person
cannot be silenced just there.
That me, I can attend a meeting where I don't. This is why I used to avoid the presidential meetings. But at times the president could allow me to talk in those meetings. But to sit there in parliament
and just listen.
An intelligent man, a highly intelligent man, like the army commander, that is there,
David Moore,
seated. No.
Does not appear on the floor of parliament.
No, we must define their role.
But I think in the capacity of soldiers, they respect instructions. They are just there for instructions.
A soldier must be the chairperson of the defense committee.
Of course.
A soldier should be the chairperson of the internal affairs committee. Yes. It should be made in parliament.
Where would we see the Wananchi's collaboration with the army?
Why are they there? Because corruption is not partisan. If I say you are corrupt, many people say that man is not an NRA. How does he attack? Yes, you are creating trouble for us. You are the people who are creating trouble for us. For me, now I'm preparing to leave. I've reached the crossroads. NRA mujikoledde ekimala. Kati ndi ku crossroad noonya kubo.
Are you serious?
Yes.
No pujeri.
Anti nze nkubuulira nti I cannot be in sisobola kubeera mu NRM without Museveni. And I know this is the last lap.
Oli masanganzira.
Kati ndi masanganzira. Noonya.
Onoonya gy'olaga.
Mwampisa bubi nange ne mbakoowa. Olw'okubula omutima omukedde nabakyawa nange. Nabalaga omutima ogujjudde. Mwampita fala. Mwalowooza nti ndibye. Ebibiina bingi naafuna ekirala kanoonye. Yes, we are at the crossroads. Yes. Tetuyinza kujogebwa bwetu.
But Museveni is still in the NRM.
Kujogebwa bwetu. And you see what pains me? I hear them talking. If you give this man money, he will not work for us. Kwega nze nina kujogebwa bujogebwa nti sente bwe zijja akabala bazirya. Did I take the vow of poverty that I should sacrifice? Me, I should live in poverty. I should look for
because you're serving other people's interests.
It is a departure time. I've worked for you. You have not appreciated. So let me move somewhere else.
Of course.
Yes, a violent, I always tell my daughters, a violent marriage must be beneficial to you. Tolerate a man who abuses you. If you are aware of, you are driving a Mercedes Benz. You are here, you have your own house. Then you but
tolerating a violent marriage when you are very poor.
See, sente bwe zijja ne bazitwala. Sente bwe zijja ne mbumbuogere. I want to ask the president, do I have a budget to maintain these programs? How come? Tubabe batandikawo basasula.
Kidombo bwajja. Ajja ne budget.
Banjoze ekiyitiridde kambalageko. Tinange nnajendaga. I will be appreciated by other people. Kakati nkuganda gamba tulumwa. N'abaserikale bajja kulumwa nga balaba abasajja babawadde miliyoni 3.5
bo bali mu parliament bazinga mikono
naye nga tewali aguzeeya miliyoni 3
baguza 5.
Yes,
mpulira.
I don't know the president must have done history. What happened to the Rafayetis when the Rafayetis went to participate in the USA Mexican war in Mexico? When they came back, they overthrew the kingdom. The king. Why? They found out that the people they went to help were living a better life than them.
For them who were suffering, we are living the very low quality of life.
These were the veterans of the Mexican war.
American-Mexican war.
Yes. You cannot say that you people, I will work for you. Omanyi bwa muwase neddo mbakoye nkoyo okunjoga. I'm at the departure time.
You're in the junction.
Yes, I'm at the junction. Departure time. Banjoze nnyo ekiyitiridde. Bakusasira ne babawo emititi. Ne babawo emititi. Kubanga nze sikkiriza abazika bakunkozesa. Kana kambalageko. Kambalageko. Mala kuwoninga. If I don't get my money, ezo my money, parting point. Let us party company. Yes, because I hear I'm annoyed. I hear them talking that nonsense. If you give this money, he will not work for us. Am I your slave? Let me teach you a lesson. Ejjogeje kiba kyogesa abantu eri ne muchoka abana baba namwe ne mbafuula embwa abala ne bajja ne mubawa sente banne mbawo mitija sente ne mbawo. If that theory, you believe in that theory, that when I get money over here I have money, kati kambalageko bujoze bwa.
These guys have attempted to assassinate you so many times. Where do you get the strength to tell them directly when they have tried to assassinate you several times?
The security is at my home. Do I move with the security?
Except your hammer.
I am a strong believer in witchcraft. I attribute my survival 90%, not to Jesus, to witchcraft.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You're going to burn in hell?
Yeah.
You're going to burn straight in hell when you leave this earth?
No, abaloko desibe planning okututta. Kakati nkugamba ti Bobi Wine bali mufunyemu. Bobi Wine goes to West Nile. This idiot comes up and says bagala kulaba muyimbi. If they want to say muyimbi, why don't you take their kusasira? Why don't you take
Wache abamwe babafumulayo abagala bayimbi.
So Bobi Wine yabaza ntinga wasanga abantu abagezi bali encouraging ne Bobi Wine to do more to chisa self-destruction mission or reverse psychology to encourage him kakati bano
bachi Bobi Wine yo mutwala ngo musiru ye kyo gamba muzanye reverse psychology tafuna tactics indala he's been advised
ngugambi instead of solving the pertinent issues in those areas badda mu kugamba Museveni tibaze kulaba muyimbi the interest yali akuba bidongo not to solve a problem Museveni ne bamubba ogwokubiri instead of solving the problem yadda kumukupako sente mididi waba akusasira my daughter ate Museveni nga yagadde omuntu atami ababaddewo this my daughter
full figure
nobody koma munonyo fa abakoledde emyaka n'emyaka otuwadde
mpulira
fa abakoledde emyaka n'emyaka what has Museveni given
you are not his son
what has
neither are you his daughters
ti akakofiira ako kafunyemu ekiwano when my mother was almost lynched I was rewarded by being bundled out of state house and humiliating money abo bantu and these human beings it's not because we are mature.
When are you leaving the NRM?
Yeah, wait. They say, I just warned. I've told you, this is departure time. I hear them to what I can play the tape. If this man is given money and starts his business, will work for others. Did I take the vow of poverty? Mwenga mukolanga mnyinase. Bujosi bwenyini obo. Mbagambi ngenda. Warning yeyo. Departure time. Engombe efuwa. Yes.
Mufulume. Ofuluma.
Tubalakiko. Nti bujosi bwa mogo bujoga abana babanamu. Bubako webuko.
Museveni yagambye ati bamubye bubbikalu.
Ate nkugambye.
Yete tatunulya factors ezo nyonyole busoga. Eteso. Ye yagambye he was rigged in Buganda. Insists on Buganda.
Even rigging, President Tamanyi. Nti battle generals bete bamuyamba. They passed a law in Parliament that any election officer who messes up with elections will be in prison for 15 years. Or when it comes to fine, he must pay half. This is why you could previously a vice president could be declared the victor and the battle is out in the courts of law. You give the judges money. Now, this worked against the government. The returning officers who would be working for government to cheat for MPs feared to be in prison. But is the president aware of this law, which was passed by Parliament, that any election official
who messes up will rot in prison for 15 years.
Will go to prison for 15 years. They passed
but some of them continue to mess up the process.
They feared. This is why they ended up working for the opposition. Yes. The person who had the support on the ground, they made sure and the two but when it brought to technology means even if you arrest me the soldiers they sent to my home, I give them, I've given them access to my technology. I tell them, you watch these people sitting in the meetings. They watch them. I told them, even if I leave this house open for you, you cannot trace my machine.
No, I'm saying, won't they leak the source of your gadgets to the mafia? Invisible. Invisible. Sisobola gitrace. Mpulira.
Nebwezi kulawe nyumba yange yonna. Machine ya misoto gira. Kakati era nabano boogedde ne bagamba nti ekyatukola obubi omusajja oyo bwe tandi kutukwata. It was dismissed until the Israelis came and told us that that machine exists, that which can capture you physically, video and audio. And one of them said, the Israelis even advised me to buy a jacket to repair, but the man ended up capturing me. Hey, ate bwe bagende e Russia, Abarussia babagamba that machine is there. Is there, it works 24 hours a day, it rotates, etambulira ku satellite. Naye The man you have described, the handling, a drunkard, a man who doesn't know technology is not the one. Kakati bane bamfaako. Bo bamfaako. Ne bagamba military intelligence for 6 months. Nenoonya nebulwa. Ne bagenda mu masimu gonna. Bajjeyo. Ne babulwa.
Data.
Kakati ne bagamba nti nedda. Museveni yalina unit mu State House. Kakati unit eyo yewa mirundi. Museveni yawa mirundi abokkuba. Kakati ate bagenda okuzuula nga atransferinga CDs agiteeke ku modern recording system. Professor wababuulira nti twafadda omusajja abiyina kati batandika okunoonya channel nakati bakyagamba tunoonye mirundi bakola nabo bali luddawo. Is me alone? Temutawana sente bajja babba. Is me alone who is handling this machine? Mzenzeka.
Such a sophisticated machine, who can handle?
And Bobby was. Bobby was a chin and go. Kakatin Kuga. Till Bobby Wine. Abenari Mutuay never strategist. Bago Bagatigi Vogona.
Mzee Yagamba, Bobby Wine Yamubie. Yamubie or Murumu Buganda.
No Kupanacho is unique. President Maya incumbent your mobile with all the structures. You have weaknesses because it is not common. I know.
To rig the incumbent.
Until the check gamba. Never ever storm. Never ever chi. To storm tells a kuteka unyumbe. Never ever made someone none Babakuba. This was computerized. It was computerized. These people brought the system earlier. Never studying. How did Bobby Wine come about? Navaganti Bobby Wine was created by the mafia.
Which people don't agree with. They look at him as someone who has worked his way to wherever he is.
And I told you, the man who should be given in Coco by no. I know what to say this on now. There was what Balam. Museveni wakwatanga ku Balam wa Musibanka Kabanga. Because Bobby Wine yali badde by individuals. Bobby Wine yali badde independent. Tiyali badde na kibina. Laba Balam were tomondo kezikezi ndoza nga bana ababbi bamubulidde ababbi abo abajogensa abatujoza abatugobye mu government katugende tukolereko ewalala mujja tuwuliramu bavuukamu mujja tuwuliramu ejogo lijja kuggwawo oba mulowooza tukofe tuli basiru okubakolera ku bwavu kakati ga oyo Balam kyeyakola Balam yagenda n'aligyesalinga ekibiina kya Bobby Wine People Power. Kozi Bobby Wine
afunerinya
bano ne bamuwa Nuuvu
ne bamuwa already kiri registered.
How could a party be registered? Delegates conference ngamawulire tegogedde.
Kambuze,
where was the intelligence?
Does it break the law to register a party?
Anti kyenkulira kiriwo ekiti an existing party was
transferred.
Was organizing mwenye nazekanzije kamali interview an existing party was changing leadership. This would attract the attention of any sensible intelligence officer. Because you must know Bobby Wine does not have a party. So if this one of the dead dormant parties is changing leadership, any intelligence officer would know. Why are they doing it?
Would investigate.
Yes.
Would look into it.
I would expect that ISO or military intelligence must have a person who looks in newspapers critically. Nebirango nobisoma. What are you doing here?
Enjoying.
You get a man.
Enjoying the callers and the peeps.
Former retired journalists, they are idle there. Get a man like Iskaun. He's an old man. Give him one road. Read all of the newspapers, including advertisement.
But you told me, if Bobby Wine was brought by the mafia, that means the mafia played around with all the structures.
Obumu ku bukadde kyali kikyusa obukulembeze nga tekina bwe kigenda kusimbawo mwe temutegeera nga Balamu amaze okusibira Bobby Wine ekibiina kye kiri. You see Bobby Wine complaining. Wawulira yabale Bobby Wine
yagirekanga ngombo teyali gyesalinga.
Yes, nga intelligence yetabala eri muki
nga bala muyaseka alowooza kyakoze kyamaanyi
sente ne banne nobuno obuvubuka buno n'oli yennyini agante muvuma nange wankola kibi mulimu wagutwala naawe nja kubonyaabonyanya kuba nze nagenda ewaffe nange nemusabira bubi ajja kufuna ebizibu bingi kuba kati ebimu biri reversal ebizibu byalina gwe yali abirowoozezaako to think about apologizing to me yes tumujoganga abantu kasinsanze tekasikirwa mbazi you cannot just muganda will tell you never cut every tree you find in a garden why has it remained there why do you harass everybody who comes to state house is it your farm najoga abakubi b'ebifaananyi najoga naleeta omuntu we namuteekawo embwa nasuula kasese ng'osuula yana I've created trouble for you people for 5 years and I have the capacity I have the cost of resistance to make the resistance for another 5 years.
I'm just wondering how you refuse government deployments.
Kakati nkugamba nti Bobi Wine intelligence tesobola kuŋŋamba. Kakati Museveni realizes nga Bobi Wine afunye party n'agoba Lwakojo. Kakati Museveni yakola mistake ogoba Lwakojo. Why? Lwakojo had been in the electoral commission for many years. This was the most experienced person. Lwakojo, me, I was intrigued about Lwakojo. And this is where Yiso has failed to work. Let them come to me and I lecture them. How does that?
But every time you speak about Yiso as a government arm that should have a political interest.
If the president sacks Lwakojo and sacks Taremo, intelligence would be monitoring Lwakojo. They didn't do it. I was intrigued.
Why he was so smart?
When Lwakojo was campaigning for his wife in Gomba, somebody asked him, yes, you are saying we should vote your wife. Whom should we vote as a president? He said, that's your option. Lwakojo.
He never said.
But
someone was employed me for quite some time.
In charge. Abaganda bakugamba. Gwabanga na ye mbuzi. Wasuli emiryango. Tewebaka. A person you used to steal goats. If he visits you, you know he's an experienced thief. The president made a mistake, a very big mistake. He would have reprimanded Lwakojo. I know powerful people whom he told to write handwritten apologies for financing Bobi Wine. I know that the president has frozen 100 accounts. I think he believes that these were the people financing rebellions. Because I told you that in the recent riot, they banned new tires. I know anybody who wants to stage a riot, these people are hired. That's why in Uganda they cannot sustain a riot. You must
are you telling me people are not disgruntled, they are just hired?
Yeah, I'm telling you. True. Uganda cannot allow you. That would be a very big mistake for Bobi Wine. To paralyze working places. People have been devastated economically by COVID. In fact, I'm writing my book, appealing to Bobi Wine. My appeal to Bobi Wine. Yes, this is the area we should do. Ugandans have gone through economic hardships. The wreck, people have been killed on the lake to take their water. People have been enslaved. So this is a country that needs healing. In fact, we are missing a point.
Which one?
We are missing a point. We are lucky that the inter-religious council split into two. Very explainable. There was no way Kazimba, the gate of the Anglican Church, would allow Museveni, an Anglican, to be removed, to be replaced by a Catholic. So they had to party company with Rwanga. But now, we need to talk to Bobi Wine.
But depending on what Rwanga also said, it seems like he was not supporting a Catholic. The Minister of Information and National Guidance
of Internal Affairs, who should talk about riots? Nabakoba Nabakoba is an amateur. Mwana yali ayogerera police. Era buno obuvuka ne bumuleeta bubirimu. Kubanga alina politics overwhelming. If you don't appoint serious people, you look at the Kenyan government. Kenyan government.
Well organized.
Yes. Netweza kuleta bana. Minister kubanga ono oyo mukwano gwange oyo kati agamba nti mukuba nnyo ye yabaleeta bubajje bagwere programu zange nga baziwira batya babakuba ne babatta. This morning I these people, when I hear them, they say Mirundi is a hardliner. Mirundi does not have friends. I have friends. I'm not a hardliner. It depends on how you have approached me. If you come with your arrogance of killing me, that I should kneel before you. No, I cannot. I can protect myself. Be humble. This morning, a minister went to this the one I'm talking about that controls the media. And he had a complaint. He said, I'm writing to you to stop Mirundi's programs. The man asked him, if he defeated Tumwebas as the Minister of Information, has defeated all of these powerful people, who are you? For us,
why do you think you can afford it?
We cannot do this to Mirundi's programs. People will just pounce on us. I said, you tell that minister, stop his arrogance. If you want to take me to court, I have all the evidence. Take me to court. If we want to speak as a gentleman, let us speak as gentlemen. Don't intimidate.
But you said that is not possible.
Cool down.
You said it's not possible to speak to you.
No, I was possible to him, and he cooled down the tempers. There is no person who does not have a person who can talk to him.
Of course.
But because you are arrogant, when you are arrogant, you think that to humble yourself is very humiliating.
In your case, it is your mother. Who approaches your mother?
No, even these ones. Even these ones.
They only can talk to your mother.
The professor has been telling them for all of these years. The professor told them, you will not undermine Mirundi. You will not use newspapers to malign him. Mirundi is a genius. Mirundi is a flamboyant. Mirundi does not want a government job. Mirundi is not interested in your cars. Mirundi is not the man. In fact, we are going to play some of the part where they say it. We tried a woman. We failed. We tried the man on him to put him inside. We failed. We tried killing him. We failed. I'm unique.
I see.
Yes. So, to go back to my point, I said, government has missed that opportunity. In fact, if that book had come up, but they ignore what they want to eat money.
Now Bobby Wine is in court.
Bobby Wine.
He has landed in court. Yes. He has challenged you and beaten you hands down.
No.
In almost everything. We don't know. You can predict for me what will happen in the courts of law.
That's when I talk about it. Let me look what is a strong point. But where I pity these people, the other petition, election petition, and the removal of the 75-year cap was spearheaded by Rukutana. Like me, instead of thanking me and recognizing my mother, whom the president had
asked to bring to State House.
My mother, Nakalema Walemani, Nakalema Walemani. Nakalima walemani nkubye obugulu bwonna ne mbuteeka kuta walema nedda nakalima walemani walemani nkubye nawe noddukiramu bwabugulu ne mbugatta wepangira kwani. The president said, I want to meet Mirundi's mother. Nakalima yagaana nga mpita naye mbakubye nkabateera mu kampulizo bakubye jogo ne ndibamalamu kakati instead of thanking me they bundled me out of State House. Asante Yapunda in Mateki. Rukutana, who helped you to win this case, was defeated. I heard somebody saying, I heard a younger man saying, but Wahima is threatening. You younger man, you are talking about Wahima. The president has transcended the tribe.
Yes.
Look at it for Unasa. The interference you are fighting now as a protector of Wahima. If I play some of these tips, some of these people can hide under their beds. We have to protect Wahima. And you, who are you? Wahima have been here. The so-called you call Wahima, the cattle keepers. They have been here. They don't need your protection.
But I'm saying, don't you
Why
think?
don't you mind about them when you are stealing their milk? When you are stealing their milk?
Don't you think Rukutana was so arrogant to deserve a vote?
They appear to be arrogant and primitive.
Someone who picks a gun and shoots at people, does he deserve a vote?
Rukutana mugenda kumujjayo. Ye musiru alingaze. Bajja genda bamujjayo. Kati Rukutana w'amaanyi nnyo ya gwe mwakubye mukalu. Bujje wange nkuzinga mutayimbwa mu mutwe.
Bantu be bamukubye.
Who doesn't know? In Ankole, when you are put inside the prison, you lose the political crowd. How can you put Rukutana in Kitali? Kakati kagenda kwat Rukutana kwate mundu ba ewange temulinnyayo. Ewange temulinnyayo. Nti sakwa bamwambudde engoye zonna bakubye bamutwala mu Yisoro aleete ebbaluwa mu
kati senior.
If anybody wants to lose his life or her life, bring my appointment, bring any appointment to a government job in my house.
But I think if someone makes a mistake, of course, after realizing, maybe that's when they get these people back on work.
Ndekati Rukutana gwe mugenda okulirayingako omwakubye esadi ako mwakubye gwe mugenda okulirayingako
kati
obujozi bwabwe bubali mu mutwe
olinga admitting anti Bobi Wine Bobi Wine mu kooti gy'abasanze wakubateera wakubakubira ddala
obujozi bwe bayina mu mutwe tebatunula wala short term strategies Can you come to me?
Niba liba mekabo abatujojobya
buyina obutwe neka tubuonye kakati gamba nti Bobi Wine ayambiddwako factors nyingi kakati mbadde nkugamba the good chance we have the person we want to talk to there are two Bobi Wine and the Americans the person who can talk to Bobi Wine now is Archbishop Lwanga, whom you are abusing. You are abusing the church. You are provoking the church. I've seen 2 incidents. If somebody is not aware, if the president is not aware, your people are going to ignite a war, a religious war in this country, which will be, you cannot fight and defeat the Catholic Church. The Catholic Church has been fighting battles since its inception.
But I think Bishop Lwanga made himself vulnerable by serving the interests of Museveni.
There are 2 incidents.
He came up and said a few annoying words to the public.
A mass in the Paraguays. You stop a mass in the Paraguays as if it's going to last a day. Whoever is doing this, don't provoke Catholics. No. Mutesa saw that the Catholics were weak. Arrested the Archbishop Joseph Chiwanu. They picked guns, they picked hunting. They were ready to invade the Rubiri and kill. Because even me, who does not go to church, I feel offended. Yesterday,
whose success is attributed
on my village
to witchcraft.
Policemen from Nachirebe entered the church and arrested somebody. Tugenda kutambula n'enkole. Baba police batira mu church. Bajja batira.
Emboko mu church.
Muyitidde okujoga kerezi. Basajja mu muyitidde okujoga kerezi. Because for me, the Baganda have a proverb.
So has entered the church.
Envuma mukulu tevumu omu. If you start entering Catholic churches, what will prevent you from entering? No, abakatoliki bagenda okusoma n'emiggo. Why don't you wait? A service is 1 hour. Tusome n'emiggo. Musome n'emiggo mu abasoma. Ajiyingira omupoliisi bamutayimba yebakakutaka. I've seen 2 incidents. On Sunday, policemen from Nachirebe disrupted the church service.
To arrest someone.
Ningana ye. Wachaba katuliki tebasoma nami. Nido musome n'emiggo. Musome n'emiggo mu church. Ajajiri nyemu. Wafirewo abantu 10 abafuuka abajulizi. Even the President Kagame, who was tough on the Catholic Church, President Kagame said all the remains of the genocide victims must be buried in a church. Defying, contradicting, but
the church value.
Yes, but Kagame now, in African purpose visit, I think it will be in Rwanda. I told you that the cardinal, newly appointed in Africa, is a 35-year-old cardinal in Rwanda. Even President Kagame can bend, can realize who is messing up with this issue. The Mbayos. Mbulababuza. What does that name Mbulababuza mean? Ye Mbulababuza Mbayo. Mbulababuza. These names reflect. You attack the church. Have you ever seen Museveni attacking the churches?
No.
Many times he gets problems with the church. Museveni went to Vatican alone. He went with a Monsignor from northern Uganda. And I don't think Museveni has ever had the time to meet this man. The only highly religious man who would accompany Museveni to the Vatican, because they remember, had already appointed Mbabazi as the chairman.
A Protestant.
An Anglican? No. Lugunda was appointed later, but he was the prime minister. But Museveni invited the Pope on his own. And the Pope's explanation was vague. Have a lot of work at it. Museveni is normally an unexcited man. This requires, in my opinion, a visit to the Vatican. Because the goodness of the Catholic Church is that it is when Roma says is implemented. If there are Catholic bishops who are messing up things in Uganda, the Pope's pronunciation is around. Museveni can pick a phone and talk to the Pope. They know each other. They even exchange the books. They have the same background. They had their infancy stages in the poverty. That's why the Pope accepted Museveni's book. They must deceive.
But I'm asking.
But inside
the army is losing its image. It is in the church. It was caught in rigging the polls, stuffing ballot boxes, beating up people, being used by ministers to beat up the citizens. Don't you think it is losing it?
I cannot say that these are soldiers. Because I know even the security forces are infiltrated. That's what I know.
Of course, they are soldiers. Where do they get guns?
Museveni had to change their command. Special forces and put them under. I know what is happening.
His son.
Security forces. Some of these poor people. These are the people who have been stealing, killing fishermen. The soldiers. They are poor. Soldiers who are educated. You started recruiting A-levels. A-levels.
And even university.
When you look what? Yes. Some university graduates. Their hopes are high.
They have been in school. Yes. They know how the world moves.
Yes. So therefore, their perspective about wealth and the problem of Westerners is that they marry from the same families. How somebody married who works in the revenue authority married from the same family with a captain or a general in the army. One is poor, another one is rich. They have the same academic papers. That also has created trouble. This is why the Baganda have a saying, Nkwatirako tebufuuka bumbowa. You cannot keep the soldiers poor when they read scandals in government where people are taking billions. I'm telling you. I talk to these people.
But now they are used as mercenaries. They are used by ministers, RDCs to serve personal interests.
Wacha muzei ayende. You wait muzei to go. Nocho kuleva parliament gye bazinzeewo. Olaba baduka, olaba agabbi akaduka. Ndio bajja kubeera mu bwavu gabambala gambutu si mama yingia poi. Nga mu pasente.
Abera mu yumba bwa bisubi.
Linda Museveni.
Akubaka tenti.
Linda Museveni aveewo gwe batya. Parliament yo bejizinda amasasa abiri oliraba. Ba! Olaba baduka ab'erinnyako. Olaba agabbi ak'embuto. Olubuto walifiirawo 50 pressure. Ba! Olaba omubbi bwadduka.
Yabeza enzige. Yabeza COVID. Olubuto olumugeza adduka.
Finally, I wanted to talk about 2 issues. The media in Uganda, if there is anything that has died in natural death, unless we do something about the Ugandan media, first of all, the mafias have a lot of money, and many newspapers cannot break even. As a result, the mafias are financing. I was told that even Aga Khan sold his shares in the Monitor to one of the mafia leaders here.
Rich guys.
Kakati, amawuli agafudde. Look what this idiot. I rang him, I abused him obscenities. Because when he was stupid, I abused you obscenities. I heard this man, one of these people, my friend, who said that I'm fighting them, I wanted people to pounce on them, says that the man can even shout obscenities. Yes, they are selective. Even the president said there are times, this man, when you read question and answer, you get a feeling that I met him. Question and answer means we interfaced. I've never seen.
There was physical interface.
I have not seen this man. And he gets the audacity of putting his byline. If I can check, I don't know him. I don't know this man.
What does that say? What does that article say?
What type of journalism is this? He attributes this is a question and answer.
Where someone should have met another one
I've not
physically.
I've not given an interview to this idiot. Look, what type of journalists are these? What type of journalism is this? This man answer. Ekibuuzo mirundi. Did you see me?
You don't get annoyed like that. There was only one. There was only one article.
Idiots. Why don't you ring me? Because they know me. I don't give journalist journalist interviews. I am only. Many people are saying there's a lot of money in Mirundi's interview. Yes. Did you find stand with me? That's why I shouted the obscenities to these Karakata girls. They used to be my friends at NBS. I worked with you, and your managers decided to get 10 billion. Get it. I walked away. So the first priority was given to you. We shall never work together. The only people I respect are this man, Senyonga, Pastor Senyonga. None of them has ever rang me. I don't give interviews to journalists. I can only go to those ones who stood up with me.
Of course.
Nobody else. Don't waste your time. I'm saying so. Abuse you. It is clear. And there is a practice they do.
You are a source of very valuable information.
My contract is with that institution, not the man I'm working with. So that is also a trick that cannot work. If you know, many radio stations, Cabos and others, Red Paper, the bus, the story that put Mirundi under the bus, the most stupid cartoonist, one money, cartoonist, single, you know, a buffalo head, a double, the chinkuamuki, Mr. What you were saying. Are you a human being? You failed the serious course.
I don't do a good Wembogo.
Do you know what you're going to Wembogo? Which you did Pitambi and Kebu? What? Miss Bagawa the same. When Mukaza Inaka to a Kamaringa Gun. A Kamaringa Bangat. Ate. Look. Because look at this man. The same problem in Kenya. The same problem in Kenya. The problem is that journalists are poorly paid. Journalists have lost credibility. In fact, when a journalist writes a malicious article about me, I don't go to court. I get a hammer. Because you are no longer journalists.
You are mercenaries.
Journalism is not peddling malice. Journalism is a noble profession. Journalism, operation, fairness, and objectivity. You give two sides. The only thing that in a newspaper where you have freedom is the editorial. You can opinionize the editorial, but you cannot opinionize your story. If you want people to read about your opinions,
go to the editorial.
No, write a feature story.
I see.
So that people know that you are intelligent. This is why, in many cases, these talk shows fail to take off. Because a moderator leaves his role as a moderator
and wants to discuss
and wants to engage somebody, and in
wants
many
to
cases,
prove he's so clever.
they rotate around one point, and you find somebody who is not informed. Because if you know you are going to talk about the economy, a budget, look about find books instead of having a
read and have a script.
Many I've seen studios where they stress the importance of beauty salons. They have no libraries. No, they don't buy newspapers. They don't. That's why you find these moderators being exposed. You are talking about the economy. Do you know it? Do you know how the economy operates?
How far did you read?
Yes. How far did you read? You find them being exposed. But yes, you retire. Because they don't read. Kakati, you look at the last thing on the media. Look at the NBS. NBS, because of money I know, I worked there, they are managers, they are money hungry. And they mistreat the juniors. I knew that the president was paying for this program. Did Kalisa give me money? I knew. I was just looking at him with his Josie. That's when I looked at him. For me, what I wanted was to give out my opinions. Because Kalisa,
you never wanted the payment.
Because Kalisa was making money out of me. He thought that I was a stupid man. No, I knew that because Kalisa and these arrogant boys are in the same camp. Kalisa is part of this Nakalima's anti-corruption something. Yes, where did he go there? Who appointed him there? So they are entrenched here in you. But I tricked Kalisa. I knew that Kalisa thought that he was exploiting me. Me, what I wanted was a platform. As long as Kalisa was exploiting me, he could not block it. They used to say that now. Of course. They used to give a directive. I tolerated this.
Meanwhile, as you're about to start, they say the time.
I knew when to leave. As I'm telling you, that me with NRM, our friendship is at the crossroads.
Can't they reconcile with you?
I think
those people
if you give him money,
can they reconcile?
I even heard somebody saying that the president asked him, why are you planning to kill Mirundi? He said, Mirundi abuses me, but I cannot kill Mirundi. Mirundi has done a very good work for us. Mirundi is a man who told NUP supporters that Bobi could not win when people feared. And that what is unique about Mirundi, NUP supporters don't abuse him. Because of my track record. Did I abuse Bobi Wine?
I don't remember.
I wrote and told you that Bobi Wine is dangerous. Abusing him will not work. I gave you examples. Why should the NUP people? And in fact, even Bobi Wine ages must evaluate. When I have a program, Bobi Wine cannot address the media. Why? They know that according to statistics, we share the audience, the same audience. Even me, I know that when Bobi Wine has something, then
you can't have an interview.
I cannot have an interview. Because we are sharing almost the same word. May I have the movement people listen to me to defend them, and the NUP people know that this man is objective.
Of course.
Yes. The only thing a NUP made a mistake made was the way they humiliated my wife. Or DP.
It was a wave. Everyone NUP was seriously hit.
Kakati nkubuulira nkugamba nti ekyo kitegedde ti amawulire mafu
gakole gatya.
Because NBS, what the NBS people don't know, that Bobi Wine man is handled by highly intelligent people. News, all the radio stations wanted it to do, and the TV stations, what NBS was doing, they were denied the same opportunity. Two, running a talent center is illegal. It can run Kalisa in Putwap. Yes. Where did he get all of that results? Did he have the talent? And to let me inform Kalisa, most of his people are disgruntled. Why? The money they get, he took it alone.
As an institution, he did not share with his juniors. It has lost credibility. What if they go to court and what was being aired on NBS contradict is different from the tally? Probably they picked such from the Electoral Commission.
No. The Electoral Commission, you see, we do it. There's what we call inoculation. Preparing the people for bad news. But why did the NBS allowed to do it alone? Bobi Wine knows the people who control NBS. NBS has been exposed as a government conduit. People will not rely on it again. I don't know what Kalisa was thinking. Money. I know those younger boys with the money. He's in big trouble. And he has not threatened. Bobi Wine, what he has done is what he related to NBS. Who allowed you? Did you have a talent center? And I can tell Kalisa, photographs are available where they established something like a talent center. And you cannot say that Kalisa has correspondents who could relay information in all polling stations. Kalisa will be making himself a fool. How many staff?
How many people?
How many people does he?
Probably he temporarily recruited some.
Did he hire people? NBS has gone. But is why you're going to say it. Think about it. They said we have failed to 12 Mirundi. No, you're going to kalima mukbane mutirawo. Muzinde tena kalima jankwati. Mukbe mutire. Wala bama sasa. Yes muwonyi. Mujama zinde tena bama sasa bamutire. Nzitwali ye. Yego yibamba ko. Besa se mutwe. Have people bantu nzabantu bangamba ntamwe. Obanjokera nabandi banganti ababana. Abobola babo nzemba kuwereza. Ndina kalima jankwati ali nyanga yo. Obavudde wana kalima bantu bakubebe emisumali yinchi 10 mitwe. Nategera bwe ndamucha. Mpulira. Yeah, tulana kana akasajja kati nkabulira kwogera. But you see, we are in big trouble. Yes, we are in big trouble.
So in that recording, they are talking about what?
Auntie, that's my final submission. I wanted to read to you this book, but I think we shall read it after the case because I told you that in many ways, one of the factors that can generate trouble is disputed elections. I wrote about it.
But you've been saying that all the time.
Kakati, Uganda is a very unique country. Year from 7, lost 10 cows at his farm. Policemen would be searching for the thieves. It would hit headlines. But the Human Rights Watch and the Human Rights Human Rights Watch and the UN, Human and the ICC have petitioned the UN with the statutory petitions. They have credible information, and for your information, the Chinese we played were arrested. The Pakistani was also arrested, and the 4 people were added on him. He has revealed valuable information implicating 100 people in Uganda. 27 of them,
100,
yes, have been issued with the international warrants of arrest. In one incident, they are alleging that the speaker, Rebecca Kadaga, is sitting on a document which was submitted to her, where it is alleged 2,000 Ugandan girls who were supposed to do all the work in Arab countries, their destination was changed into India and they feared death. Their body parts were extracted I've seen they have information that there is a company which starts with the letter T. It took 500 girls to the same destination because this Pakistani man had also formed an a company here. The Pakistani man formed a company here to take our people
by export
to the slaughterhouse. Those who bought it accounted it dead, but an idiot, after transporting the girls there to their slaughterhouse, he changed his business and closed his company, and he's owning a number of bars. Aina bala nyingi nkwogere bakubete ente musajja gwe nkwogere kati bala zo bazikumeko omuliro bakubete ente ate tunerenga bidduka tujja mu totali nkwogere kati gwe kisajja godduke ne mukazi wo abaana omanje bali nkwogere gwe aina bala zo wakola ngogadde kampuni yo omaze okutwala abaana 15,000 nokyusa kampuni. All the evidence is there. Chikenda mubirabe. Wota yingira bibira bye Kongo. Nenjogera singa nfune esimu enkanga. Ngenda kwogera balazo. Olabe basocha mu lunaku lumu. Kyabala okutwala abaana 15,000 ewe. Akati waliwo eddwaliro mu Kampala. Eryo basokola. Bayina ne buyero gundi. Buyero buku. Obutali butuufu. Babukuba ku nasa. Bayina stamp. Jebakuba muri mwasokola eddwaliro lya Mission mu Kampala mu basokola aga Mission asatu basokola naye sijja kwogera naye muri ba dokita abasokola spare parts abakunukiri ba immigration officers abali Entebbe ku kisaawe n'abali mu ministry abo bagenda kutemba ogenda okulaba agabbibwe gadduka naye Uganda inasigala mu abantu. Teri muntu tulimu abatali babbi anti bali abasajja bakwata abaana n'abantu abava mu mawanga amalala. That's why for me nekengera nnyo why somebody had started going to registering people near my home nekengera people were saying nti we wange nze mbikola ayira okutiti nga nabagalira muntu bakama babo ne bajja ne bamwina. This is where Burundians. The trick here has been these foreigners come here, get passports as Ugandans. They don't appear there. No. About immigration, Minister of Internal Affairs, but Tebagira, passport Tebazikubamu. Kakati, Wabado, they Interpol permission. Necessarily faking. But they call it Entebbe ku kisaawe. Some of our soldiers are involved in the scam. Abo nabo ogenda okulaba ku kisaawe badduka oba afende muhoza abasikala n'abajjawo. Kuba obangambye bagenda kubatwala. Bagambye ku kisaawe abasingawo aba special forces batemba babayina ogenda okulaba omusirikale adduka ku kisaawe ogenda okulaba adizati nga amajenga tana ya abasawo basajoni abasokozi nkaaga babetaaga abasawo abasokozi nkaaga mu Uganda batiramu abantu 100 ebuyindi 12 walone yatwala ebita kakati nze nembagamba the matter has reached the president. I was watching them last night. We are deliberating over the matter. Their concern is Mirundi is talking about it or no Mirundi official. People will pounce on us. No, I'm telling you, this is not how we do things. I'm not going to mention your names, gentlemen. But even if, because as the ICC procedure is that you appear physically. Yes, the 47 have already been issued with international. The good thing about them, they have filed the defense. They have hired a lawyer, the company of lawyers, at a cost of $4 million. Yes. That's why somebody
where do they get the money?
If we can hire a lawyer, why don't we settle with this man? Because all of the problems, they say, we underestimated this man. Because at that time, nobody could believe. He was believable. That's why this command in New Vision is running away. The New Vision does not die with his problems. It will undermine all of the companies, the majority of companies that we are taking our children are not there.
Are not registered? All their hoax, just a hoax.
But the story about younger girls is, even if you wish, one, they had sessions. They could sleep with 15 men per day. When they find out that you are no longer able, after squeezing their travel costs and what, then they would surrender you to the slaughterhouse. Terrible.
Such atrocities happening here.
According to their defense, also for me, when you are writing, I get once you take it on a rapporteur, I have the capacity to
capture
what
the buttons.
They have said that their Lord, the Pakistani who came here, came to get a license in the pharmaceuticals. That their Lord was to facilitate him to get a license to start a pharmacy in Uganda. Did they check? And for me, I can tell you, one container left on Uganda Airlines flight is made in flight to Mombasa. Another one in Shari over. Ajikwatako manyi weri mbalaba bwentu waliwo kidokita kigira container mu Uganda mweri kidokita nkiraba kwati kigira kiti nagiteekako ebyuma bwe kigira kiti bwe kikebera bwe gikwateko njo kukizinga omutayimbo China weri kitekinga nikigira namagalo byendigayo China weri one container is still in Uganda. The other one, it was taken. The Pakistan came back with a lot of.
But are those organs still alive?
And these are not. They don't extract from dead bodies. Otherwise, how do you have more corpses than the Chinese? Do you have more corpses than the Pakistanis? What they want in Uganda is that they are removed from you. Zidira yivu.
Bangudde mu bubenje
kati ba dokita nkaaga abakuuzi babalina kakati for me I tell you, instead nobody can sit on this story. Although you have this mafia finance, you have mafia finance newspapers. I talk about it and I have more followers than all your newspapers combined. My suggestion is, whether government has decided to sit on this story, you cannot keep bringing us for a long time.
Of course.
What is going to happen is that what if ICC or the United Nations issues a press release or addresses a press conference to the effect that there are 47 Ugandans are wanted in The Hague.
For organ trafficking.
In The Hague, you must go physically. Will not Ugandans see these 47 Ugandans boarding a plane? Because international.
How will they hide the press release?
Yes, how will
of course, we will know.
Two. Now that they are zeroing in another 100, including surgeons, is it bad news? Isn't it a good suggestion to reconsider bringing Chibani doctors? Because Ugandans are going to run away from hospitals.
Of course.
People are going to abandon the hospitals. Is it a bad idea for the ministers in charge of health to resign, to respect themselves and the permanent secretary, to pave way for an independent investigation? Akakazi, Diana Yakovic, Akapopula pointing on Kalab, who present Yanvum, Katika Kali, Navino Kakazi, Kaino to Kalinga Manga. Never fight me. That's why when you talk, you go to Museveni to fight me, he tells you go to court. Maybe he was aware. Kakati, how can Museveni defend these people? They are going to see the president tonight. But I want to tell you, this is how the Europeans trapped Gaddafi. They demanded to get the mastermind of the Lockerbie attack. Gaddafi wasted the time. He did not. But eventually the people of Libya suffered. Can any Ugandan accept that those who have been killing or assisting the doctors, the surgeons who have been killing the Ugandans in their theaters should not be surrendered?
No one can do that. There's no way accept a killer
in fact, they will be
to stay in the hospitals.
So for me, I say, now that we have known allegations, they call them allegations. For them, they say, there's no specific examples. This is generalization. A Muzungu starts with the generalization. If it is generalization, why have they pinpointed you, the 47?
And why are they counting 47? If they are not aware.
And I tell you, first of all, why do you want to kill me? Huh? Why do you want to kill me? When you plot 3 times now, because in a meeting that took place on the Thursday, you met your international lawyer. The lawyer said, unless there is concern, where the concern is in Uganda, you can handle this matter in the federal sectors. And he suggested, you must clean the local advocacy. By cleaning, I understood it to be meaning you want to kill me. An international lawyer they have hired told them, if we want to contain this scandal, killing the local advocate, who is me. You cannot, that man is a liar, he's a thief. How are you going to contain? Is this man who wants money, like a prostitute, going to say, to tell ICC that the police are very important people from Uganda? Let us get the hearing in his camera. When the whole president of Kenya, Uhuru Kenyatta, did not
was
get
drugged by ICC.
What type of lawyer is this? Come on, Igwe, Tewasoma, Ulimubi, Noriyo Musuma. Kireni. No. An expert on media will tell you, leak this information. In fact, when I had a New Vision, I saw the headline. Me, I don't read the New Vision. I saw the headline. Government is investigating Palestine. Non-government. No, those are useless. The story want to know that ICC has issued international warrants of arrest against 47 prominent Ugandans.
Don't hide the story.
Don't hide it. And they are zeroing on surgeons. Reveal it to the public. And this struck me. This is when Hajati Mukwaya was making a lot of improvement, and the permanent secretary, Bigirimana, we are removed from the ministry.
We are reshuffled.
The man, Kamuntu, who received this petition and did not share it with the suspects and took it straight to the president, lost the election. These are very powerful people. Are these coincidences? What are they? Hajati Mukwaya was removed, replaced by Tumwebas. Bigirimana was taken into Ministry of Justice. And Bigirimana was doing a very hard work.
With the youth.
If Bigirimana had remained in the Ministry of Gender with his youth program and interrupted, the situation on the ground would have been different. I'm telling you.
How sure are you?
Yes.
And he laid a very good strategy comparably.
Did you see the new people talking about the progress, the youth project. It was not an item.
But he did not go with the papers. He left them there.
Obobo nabujozi. Ebyo bibala bya bujozi. Mukomye obusuma n'obujozi. Nti somebody is removed to justice to cover a scandal. Can you cover? Can you cover? And it tells you how important and influential this group is in the government. When they tell you to kill you, they can't. Except me. Because by the time I reveal the recorded video, I've already captured 100.
Several times.
Embassy, Ochakuraba minister, Abaduka, Ochakuraba minister, Abatate, yo, okay, Nintuiza, wing Abatate, but Dokita, Ababa Sokola, who get a Dokita, Tachaj, Dokita Woody, Gata Jamudwadi. Ngecha to mwana wange nchinonya chamutira mwa Rubati kuku nchinonya nengalabi yacho engalabi njagala nakakaza kalika kubidemu. Do you know that they have started killing there? The doctor who was claimed to have been denied COVID drugs at Mulago was one of them.
They eliminated each other.
In Rugazi committed suicide. Another one went mad. Oyonzena Muloga. Yeli pankira kubuluwalinga mukazi wange. Nakawalanka noyi. Ninakawala kino. Nya kabulu obukadde butano. Kali wandege ya. Waliwo omusajja namugamba kawe piritoni ngatwalire mu kofi kagenda okuzuuka kewafe nga kali ku lusalu kali mu kofi ngakawedde nganjasiza akalabirwamu kagatunulikaneko n'empologoma nja kukwata kawala gwe nja kukwata kali wandegeye nga kali mu byokutta abantu nja kukwata waliwo yali akanzigidde obukadde busatu yali akakwanye nga njoko nemugamba kawe piritoni okantiire mu kofi ugende okukya nga kali ku lusalu ewaffe nalo nkuba kukalabirwamu kakatulolikanyeko n'empologoma kali muli mu kofi ni mukabuli njasiza akalabirwamu kali muli tukatulolikanyako bwetusi nindidde kakuba kitiyo kalioke kambulire kanvuma akawala akate kandaba naye nja kufata kubanga nkayina mugundi nja kuba gundi yo Pakistan abantu bakategere kali wandege yawo. Yes.
Okay. Wetu tutambudde olwaleero mutabani wa Mole n'abatovu mirundi yenze kaka kokubanga bawereza.
I have not mentioned their names. But I think the public should know this scandal.
Of course we should get ourselves ready
forever. No.
We should get ourselves ready for some hospitals.
Yes. Me I'm saying, let us get Shubani doctors. Because Ugandans, when they hear these stories, they will abandon hospitals.
Where will the doctors here work?
When you see, no,
they are the good ones. They are not the 46.
60 surgeons are on the list. 60 surgeons are on the list.
We can't replace surgeons in a quick way.
Yes, we cannot.
We should hire
surgeons. This is why they frustrated the president's efforts to, one, to bring the Cubanese. Two, this is why the Ministry of Health has frustrated the construction of Mukaga Hospital. Because that would mean that people will not be referred to
India.
They
don't want to construct it.
You pay your air ticket to be killed. No. There must be changes in the Ministry of Health. I now suspect why they had to remove Lukwago to take their doctor there. I suspect. Let me look at the data when it started. Why should we, if now we know that most of our children who are being taken abroad are taken for slaughterhouse, human abattoirs? Why doesn't the government suspend? Naye waliwo ekisajja ekyatwala bano ebitaano ne kikola mu bbaala kisajja gwe bw'oba ondaba kisajja gwe walitadde muno dduka ne mukazi wo
alaga wa
kyalidduse ne kitema ebizimbe
embalaza zireke
oli nkoko ya mutamiivu kuba kati wenjagalira wenkwogerera ate oyinza okunzita mpozi okuba essimu nkusonyiwe kisajja gwe gwayina ayina bbaala ze wakola n'ogula ebizimbe mu baana mpozi onkubira essimu weetonde naye bw'oteetonda kubanga nze kati otomulaba oyo esimu ye nagikwata dda neya mukazi we ayina all the communications bogereramu for 6 months
aja gikyusa
ata nkugambye kiri ekyuma kyange ne bwojja mu simu kadi noteekamu endala eri eripotinga eno eri
kati ataddemu eno kati ataddemu
ekugamba nti kati bandisipulesinze noono ngenze anti kidisappears nalaba obukyayi nanga bwoza amasimu ku majja nalaba obukyayi nanga bugooza ne buganika is over ate ekyokubiri you see it is not easy to abandon a beautiful woman in spite of the problems you face abasajja bangi balera ku bakazi ne babassa abantu bano balwawo kuva ku business nakalima ne yebajula nakalima nalumba omanyi nakalima yalumba nga gundi z'abanne ng'alumba abatwale bweru amakampuni agamu nakalima ne yebajula nakalima ne yebajjamu nakalima ne yebajula nakalima ne yebamba nakalima ne yebamba nakalima bukyajoga abantu kinayinza obutakiwona mujjukira nti waliwo omusajja gwe babonyabonyanga ennyo somanyi wesitaanani
wa middle east
nakalima ne yebajula nakalima ne yebajja nakalima ne yebajula nakalima n'azinda lwaki wazindanga abamu nga balala tobazinda nakalema lwaki wazindanga abamu
oba information yali afunye yabo
kino kiddo
kibatwala
kino kiddo ogenda okulaba abali ku kisaawo aba immigration abadduka abo mikwano gyange bankubira essimu mbabuulira abali ku lisi batemenga bukya bateme n'engalabi zaabwe waliwo ekidokita kino ekikuuma konteyina buli ekigenda nekikebera muki kigira nja kubbirawo omutayimbwa mumutwe ojja kunsa baba nja kubba omutayimbwa mumutwe konteyina emu weeri teyagenda weeri wano konteyina ino weyakiyisi eri wantu nkweke I know where it is because that is the issue baganda bange bano sibawalana era sigenda kwogera batya nnyo nti nja boogera amanya no abantu balimanya bumanya sigenda kwogera amanya gabali wanted naye eggwanga litegeere kubanga abasawo bano bayinza okubanga bakyayongera
bategere nti wabategedde
ekyokubiri nti amalwaliro ga minsani agali mu kibuga mulimu erikuula ennyo mulimu erikuula gonna gakuula kiruddu yasinga okukuula abeeyo bagenda kutuka ab'ekiruddu bagenda kutema
njagala tubeere nga tumaliriza ekitundu
I don't want to create trouble for you but if I get such information it will be bad news.
Of course it will be dispersed to the public to know.
If the public should
this is public interest.
Yes. So kakati ekyo bwekityo bwekiri baganda bange bakitegeere bulungi. I'm not going to mention anybody's name. In fact mbadde tempted n'obutaddamu kuba butambi.